A satellite of A of mass m is at a distance r from the surface of Earth. There's a small correction over here. It's not from the surface of Earth. It's from the center of Earth. The distance r from the center of Earth, and another satellite of mass 2m is at a distance of 2r from the Earth center. So we know that this time period Rm is to find out the value of the time period R in the ratio. So we know that time period is not depends upon mass. Time period is depends only on the orbital radius. So the relation is t square is directly proportional to r cube. So we can write t is directly proportional to r raised to 3 by 2. So we can write the value of t1 divided by t2 is equal to nothing but r1 divided by r2 raised to 3 divided by 2. So the value of r1, which we can take it as nothing but r, and r2 we can take it as nothing but 2r raised to 3 divided by 2. So this r and this r get cancelled. So we can write this as 1 by root 2 raised to 3, because 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2 raised to 3. That is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, which we can take it as 1 by 2 root 2. So they will be in the ratio 1 by 2 root 2, and distance is from the center, not from the surface.